Hello and welcome back to Zimist Coded. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to generate high-quality, topic-specific multiple-choice questions, and we'll also create a separate marking scheme for them. This is a powerful and time-saving method that gives you control over your assessment design while ensuring your questions stay aligned with your curriculum. Now, this isn't about getting ChatGPT to randomly generate MCQs. That's not what we want. Random questions might not match your lesson objectives or the specific areas you've already covered with your students. In this case, I'm working on MCQs in economics, but you can apply this same method to any subject area, be it science, mathematics, history, or any other field. The goal is to ensure that the questions are constructed around exactly the topics you want. To make the output more targeted and effective, I'll be using a PDF file, a document that contains 50 multiple-choice questions I created and used about 3 years ago to assess my students. That file covers the topic areas I want to focus on again, but this time with new questions that still match those core concepts. Let me show you the PDF I'm talking about. Here it is, a collection of carefully designed economics MCQs. Rather than using the exact same questions again, I want to create something fresh that still tests the same ideas. And with the help of ChatGPT, this becomes surprisingly simple and powerful. Using the PDF template. Using an old question template like this is very important. Why? Because it provides direction and focus for the AI. Instead of generating unrelated or irrelevant content, ChatGPT will use the structure and content of the uploaded PDF as a foundation for building new questions. This approach is especially useful if you're an educator working with strict syllabuses or preparing students for national exams. You get to reuse the framework of your existing assessment without repeating yourself. And at the same time, you're ensuring that your questions are still relevant and rigorous. Plus, having that reference makes your output consistent in tone, depth, and difficulty. Let's head over to ChatGPT and begin the actual process. I'm starting a new chat. At the bottom of the screen, there's a little plus icon next to the message bar. I'll click on that and choose Add Photos and Files. Now I'll locate my Economics MCQ PDF file, the one I just showed you, and upload it directly into ChatGPT. Once the file is uploaded, the next step is to provide ChatGPT with a clear, specific prompt. The prompt is what tells ChatGPT what to do with the PDF. Here's the prompt I'm going to use. Based on the 50 economics multiple-choice questions in the attached PDF, generate 50 new and original multiple-choice questions that cover the same topics and concepts. Each question should be unique and should not be a reworded version of the original questions. Format the output as follows. Section A, multiple choice questions. List each question with 4 options AD, but do not include the answers in this section. Section B, marking scheme. Provide the correct option for each question in the format. 1A, 2C, 3B, and so on, all the way to question 50. Let's break that down. The first sentence gives ChatGPT a clear context. It tells it to analyze the PDF and generate new questions based on the same content areas. That way, we ensure the output is relevant and focused. Then I ask it to generate entirely new questions, not just reword the old ones. This is important if you're looking to assess understanding from a new angle or avoid repetition from previous exams. Finally, the formatting instruction is key. I tell it to organize the output into 2 clear sections. Section A will contain just the MCQs, no answers included. Perfect for sharing with students. Section B will contain the marking scheme in a clean and simple format, where each question number is matched with its correct option. This way, you can easily grade responses or create an answer key document separately. This format is more professional, and it works especially well if you're generating Word documents or printed tests. Now I'll paste this prompt into ChatGPT and hit send. Let's give it a moment. And there it goes. ChatGPT begins generating 50 brand new economics multiple-choice questions. Each question comes with 4 well-structured options labeled A through D, just like a standard paper. When it's done with Section A, it smoothly transitions into Section B, listing out the answers as a marking scheme. You'll see something like 1, B, D, 3, A, 4, C. And that's it. I now have a full set of fresh exam-style MCQs that align with my syllabus, plus a clear and usable marking scheme that I can print or copy into another file. You can now take this entire output, copy it into a Word document, adjust the formatting to your preference, and you're ready to go. Whether you're preparing a classroom test, an online quiz, or just want practice materials for your students, this method is fast, flexible, and completely customizable. And that's how you can use ChatGPT to create focused, topic-specific MCQs with a separate marking scheme, all starting from your own existing PDF template. This approach saves time, ensures accuracy, and gives you full control over the learning outcomes you want to assess. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give the video a like. Don't forget to subscribe to Zimist Coded for more tech tips, teaching tools, and productivity hacks. And if there's a subject area you'd like me to create a tutorial on next, just drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay creative and keep coding your world with purpose.